The original image in question seems to show a large room filled with some type of tinted liquid that appears to be meant to suspend the embryonic sacs or tubes holding the humanoid bodies inside. In one of the sampled papers, there is a sketched image with a description stating that there are hundreds of these in various stages of growth. The sketch depiction of the photo also states that the bodies look dark gray with white pale eyes and are genderless, having 2 toes and 3 fingers. I'd like to lastly read the secondhand abstract of what was explicitly found in the papers. If you are curious to find the actual documents in their totality, then I wish you good luck. The Dulce papers. The Dulce papers were comprised of 25 black and white photos, a videotape with no dialogue, and a set of papers that included technical information of the alleged jointly occupied U.S. alien facility 1 kilometer beneath the Archuleta Mesa near Dulce, New Mexico. Several persons were given the above package to hold for safekeeping. Most of those given the package were shown what the package contained, but were not technically oriented and knew very little about what they were looking at. The following was written by one of these persons about what the papers contained. This person described the scenes that the videotape showed and made sketched pencil drawings of some of the photos. What you see is what you get. I can't decipher what is written or drawn any more than you can. I pass these papers on only in the interest of getting to the truth. From other information I have, I believe the information contained herein is true. I believe the facility exists and is currently operational. I also believe that there are 4 additional facilities of the same type, one located a few miles to the southeast of Groom Lake, Nevada. What is the truth? Only God, MJ-12, and the aliens know for sure. Dulce papers. Lots of papers, documents that discuss copper and molybdenum. Also papers about magnesium and potassium, but mostly about copper. Lots of medical terms that I don't understand. A sheet of paper with charts and strange diagrams. Papers that discuss ultraviolet light and gamma rays. Papers that discuss color and black and white and how to avoid detection through certain colors. In addition to these papers, there are about 25 pictures, black and white, plus 1 videotape with no dialogue, all taken inside the Dulce facility. These papers tell what the aliens are after and how the blood taken from the cows is used. Aliens seem to absorb atoms to eat. Aliens put hands in blood, sort of like a sponge for nourishment. It's not just the food they want, it's the DNA in cattle and humans being altered. The type 1 creature is a lab animal. They know how to change the atoms to create the temporary almost human being. It is made with animal tissue and depends on a computer to simulate memory. A memory the computer has withdrawn from another human being. The almost human being is slightly slow and clumsy. Real humans are used for training, to experiment and to breed with these almost humans. Some humans are kidnapped and used completely, even atoms. Some are kept in large tubes and are kept alive in an amber liquid. Some humans are brainwashed and used to distort the truth. Certain male humans have a high sperm count and are kept alive. Their sperm is used to alter the DNA and create a non-gender being called type 2. That sperm is grown in some way and then altered again, put in large wombs, many destroyed, certain are altered again, and then put in separate wombs once more. They resemble ugly humans when growing, but look normal when fully grown, which takes only a few months from the fetus size. They have a short lifespan, less than a year. Some female humans are used for breeding. Countless women have had a sudden miscarriage after about 3 months of pregnancy. Some never knew they were pregnant. Others remember contact in some way. The fetus is used to mix the DNA in types 1 and 2. The atomic makeup in that fetus is half human, half almost human, and would not survive in the mother's womb. It is taken at 3 months and grown elsewhere.